What is up guys? Welcome to swabeLENOS. In this channel, I do a lot of tech reviews and also some YouTube budget setup as well. In this video, we are gonna discuss about this newer 660 LED lights panel softbox. We're gonna go into 3 steps. First, a quick review on the product. And second one is showing you how to set it up this softbox. Also giving you the comparison on the lights with or without the softbox. Number 3 is giving you my honest opinion if this one is worth buying or not. So without further ado, let's jump into the review. So alright guys, so this is the product. This is the back. The back they have a lot of some strap and everything. This is how it looks like on the back. And on the side, this is the metal with the magnetic kind of thing. It comes in like this, and you just gonna pop it straight, so make it doing like this. So this is the side. That's the picture. That's the view on the side. This is in the front. This is the front and the back. Okay, it's pretty straightforward. You're just gonna be connecting this one to the light. So first up, let's unscrew this thing up first. This side panel right here, you're gonna unscrew it. Oops. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and try to connect this softbox into this light. First, we're gonna tilt up, release this cord for it. First, we're gonna tilt this up and lock it down, so it's more easy for us to be connecting that one. And you're gonna hold the strap. Release it, everything first. Come on now. So, first thing you're gonna do is this long strap is on the top. Come on now. Gonna do like that, guys. See that? It's on the top. So, we're gonna release this one as well, or we just put it like that. So as you can see, I already put it in the bottom one on like this. I already put it in that. See that? And connecting that. Try to be connecting now. Just slide it in from the bottom. Perfect. It's already put it in the bottom, guys, and you just gonna be putting this long strap on the bottom. Not too tight, just straight it up, just like that. And the other one also, put it in. Yeah, it makes it easier if you put this one already. So you're just gonna slide it in upward, and this one you're just gonna push it in inside and lock it in, and the other side too. Okay, and that's it. It's firm. See that? And double check all the metal magnetic thing. And release it, release the other one, and boom, straight. See it? You can see it on the side. There's no tilting, only tilting up can doable, but tilting down, no. Anyway guys, I just set it up the lights, turn it up high a little bit. because I want to see the exposure, and we're gonna look at the difference on how the diffuser actually works. This shot is without the softbox. It's only the light diffuser that it comes with it. It's overexposed and it's not really good. Alright guys, so it's time for my opinion about this product. I see a couple bad sides on this product. So what I see is, number one is the fitment. The fitment on the back is not really accurate. 100% fit that they say in the description is 100% fit, but in the actual it's really not. It's complicated a little bit, but it's still doable. I would give a percentage for about 90 out of 100%, so it's still doable. The second one is the light adjustment. You cannot adjust the light tilt down with the softbox on. You only can go into up and straight to your face. The third one is the quality, but before we continue discussing, I just want to thank you guys for spending time watching my videos, and I hope that I provide you the detail that you need to know before you're purchasing this product. Let's continue with the quality. The quality on this product, roughly I would say right away 85%. Just because of that, when I read in the Amazon description that they said it's 100% accuracy, fitment and everything for this, specifically for 660 LED lights panel. But as I told you guys, that this thing is still doable for its price, because we already know that the softbox and the actual light for studio is really expensive. Guys, if you have any further questions, just don't hesitate to write the comments down below, and what do you want more videos from me, and help me grow our community, guys, by clicking the subscribe button, and like and share would be appreciated too much. Thank you in advance, guys, and hope to see you soon in my next video. That's it.